Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. We're back on the S2000. Today we are going to start taking off the front bumper. Try repairing this crack right here, which should be be too bad. Shouldn't be too hard. That's some thick polyurethane, ABS, whatever you want to call it. That's thick. So I'll be able to probably repair that. That's no problem. Take a heat gun right here. Take a heat gun a little bit right here. We'll see. And then we're going to take off the headlight, see if I can fix that. I think I can. And then when I take off the bumper, I'll take off the fender, because I think you got to take off the fender to get the headlight out. I'll see if I can bend it back into shape, put it back on the car, just so we can get it inspected and everything like that. So without further ado, let's take off this front bumper. And bam! Got the front bumper off. I started kicking butt. The extent of the damage is not that bad. I mean, apron, perfect. Just missed the crash bar because all the impact was over here in this area. And all it did was bend this a little bit. As you can see, it's separated. All I'm going to do is bend it back. I mean, this is thin metal. So I'm going to bend this back, bend that back. It unbolts actually. So I could actually buy that part. It unbolts, but I'm going to unbolt it, bang it all back together. And we'll see. I mean, this is cool. I can still reuse this. I'll plastic weld this, still use the liner. Liner's still good. It's not that bad. And the fender, I might be able to fix it. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's creased right there, but we'll see. It's been replaced. And it looks like they used a Honda. Yeah, R. Honda. That's what they used. And check that out, my wife coming home early. Woohoo! All right, but yeah, that's that. Let's go look at the bumper. Bumper, way savable. How thick that is, that's no problem. Just put it together like that, staple them. Headlight, I'll be able to save good money there. I have all three tabs. They all line up perfect. It's already been repaired once, so what's wrong with repairing it right this time? So let's get back to work. And bam, not too bad. I mean, it's got shape again. Look at that. Check that out. Hey, to roll around, get it inspected and all that, perfect. So now I'm gonna do the headlight, but that's gonna be tomorrow morning. And do the bumper, and that'll also be tomorrow. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Man, I just couldn't leave it alone. But look at that, all bolts up, kind of straight, but this piece was a little bent back way. I just, and I can, if I want, I can buy this and this all separate. They unbolt. But for right now, like I said, I'm not trying to spend any money right now. I'm trying to get it registered. That's the main goal, and get it running. Well, I got it running, but running good. All right, so that's cool. I think I'm going to lay up the fender real quick, see how close it is. It should match up to about right here. All right, so I just mocked up the fender. It lines up nice. Look at that. Bolts up right there. I just gotta put the headlight tomorrow. See some little bit more modifications. I gotta pull this out a little bit. There we go. That made that go out nice. And it's coming up pretty good. All right, this time I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna do the headlight and the bumper. And we're back. It is the next day, early in the morning, about 8:30, Saturday. All right, so we're gonna start fixing this headlight. All the tabs broken there, and there. Where is it? Right there. And I have all three tabs, which I'm lucky. They stayed inside the car, didn't lose them. So, and it has been repaired before. So nothing wrong with repairing it again. I'll repair it right. They used epoxy. I'm going to use a plastic welding gun with staples, and then I have my other plastic welder, so I can put some plastic weld on top of the staples, make it a little bit more sturdy. But So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'm gonna sand this headlight, and then I gotta take off the driver's fender, which I don't want to, but I'm going to take off driver's fender so I can take off that headlight, because you got to take off the fender to take the headlight out. So I'm going to sand that one and re-clear them so they look brand new and pass inspection. So let's get this tab fixed. All right, got the headlight installed, fits perfect, and fitted the fender. Look at that, man, it's not too bad. I mean, it's got a little bit of a gap right here, but I have to adjust this back here and it'll, see, it moves. Whoops, it moves a little bit, so I still have to adjust some down here, some adjustment right here. But yeah, man, check it out. It's looking good. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get another fender. I just don't want to spend $500 right now. I'll see. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I think I could fix it a little bit better, but we'll see. But yeah, it's coming along. All right, next we are going to repair the bumper. Like I said, it should be easy. It cracked perfectly. This is just paint chip here. Damn it. Yeah, this is all just paint chip. And yes, I am missing a grill type deal, but I found some universal mesh, so I'm gonna just put mesh back here, the black metal diamond mesh, you know, what everybody does. But yeah, no, this bumper's not too bad. It has been repainted. This was the VIN number on it. It is original. AP2 12 of 10. Yeah, after looking at it, yeah, this paint job ain't that great, but all right. So let's get to repairing this. This should be simple, about 5 minutes. Got it all stapled in. That came out good. Now let's check out the other side. See what it looks like. Dang, not too bad. Hell yeah, that's sweet. That is awesome. Yes, saved myself almost $1,000. 6 to 1,000. Hell yeah. On the fender, I might have to spend that $500, but we'll see. Yeah, just gotta fine tune these, but to drive it around for right now, heck yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna install this on the car, see what everything looks like, and bam, check that out. You know you sport it like this too, don't lie. Heck yeah. I am gonna buy the two supports that unbolt. They shouldn't be too expensive. I can't bend them back to get it right, so that's why the headlight kind of sticks in that way and the bumper doesn't quite fit right, but that fix repair is tight. You know, like I said, you know you'd sport it right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to cruise around. I'm gonna wash it up and cruise it. Still gotta get to this quarter panel right here. Gotta pull it out slightly, come in from the trunk, pull this out a little bit. And then on this side, I gotta get the heat gun and unroll. Whoops, sorry about that. I gotta get the heat gun and unroll the bumper, unroll the quarter panel, fix that also. That'll be next week. That'll be on the next video. But for today, I think that's it. Just gonna wash her up, see what she looks like all washed up. I'm beat. All right, talk to you guys later. And we're back, another day here. Like I said, today I'm going to do the injectors. Finally got some in. Yeah, I got some cheap ones, all four. Like I said, if this fixes the problem, then cool. I'll either get these ones rebuilt or I'll get Honda ones. But for right now, like I said, these were, I think, man, $15, $20 each, if that. I'll see. I'll look at it, but like I said, if it fixes the problem, that's fine. Then I'll, like I said, I'll do it but come on. All right, so with that said, we're gonna change the injector. Let's see what we need. Looks like really nothing, just 10 millimeter right here. unclip these two right here and unclip the injectors and then take the rail off, and wow, pretty simple. All right, yeah, all I need is my pick or a little screwdriver. I'll bring both, and 10mm. Be right back. All right, I got all the clips off and took off all the little collars on it. So now I'm going to loosen the 10mm bolts. I already released the pressure, so I'm going to pull them out, take them out, and then replace them, and we'll be back. All right, as you can see, got the rail out, sitting over here. They look original. Like I said, I'll run the numbers, see what they are. But like I said, hopefully this fixes the damn problem. Alright, let me slap in the new ones. Alright, everything is together, so let's see how it runs. Probably won't start off until like maybe the second or third turnover. Alright, be right back. Alright, let's see what it does. Battery might die. Let me fill up the gas. I'm going to get the booster. Alright, let's try this again. I didn't have the fuel line all the way in, that's why it wasn't starting. So now it should start. That's weird. What the heck? What the? What? Now what? Alright, it's running good now. I think I might have to recalibrate the throttle body, which I got the all-tail with. I'll probably recalibrate it or make it relearn, because yeah, now with the new injectors I think it's messed up. But it idles nice, no check engine light, so it did fix what was wrong. Sounds way better than before. Alright, so I know at least that fixed the problem. Even the engine's more steady. But like I said, I think I need to relearn the throttle body. Alright, it is the next day. As you saw in the last clip, I changed all the injectors and stuff like that, and it ran better, a little better. Then I started thinking, I was like, wait a minute, let me clear everything. I went into the all-tail and I cleared all the cranks that it had. I mean, totally wiped everything out, relearned everything. I relearned the throttle body because it is a drive-by wire, and it told me to clean the throttle body. So I was like, oh, okay, I got throttle body cleaner. So took it off, did all that off camera. So I cleaned the throttle body, and check this out. It runs way better. It's getting better. But I think there's one more part that I need to change. Let me show you. There is the cover's on there. Let's see if I can take it off. This guy right here with the little black hat, it looks like a fuel pressure regulator, but it's not. It is a fuel suppressor. I think that's bad. So I ordered one up. I'm gonna change it because it has perfect idle. It has perfect, pretty much a lot of perfect things. It runs way better. I'll start it up right now so you can hear it. All right, let's do a cold start so I can show you. All right, push. Yeah, hear that? Perfect. Woo. Yeah. Hear that? Smooth. Little bit of backfire. Like I said, I think it's that fuel suppressor. But damn, way better. gonna take you guys again. Be right back. Let's hear how smooth that is. All right, as you see, it runs a lot better. Did a lot of work today. We fixed the bumper, the fender, the 2 quarter panels, and stuff like that. So that's gonna end this video for today for part 2. So please stay tuned in for part 3. That will be coming out soon. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the right. That really helps out the channel, especially a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider. And if you have, thank you for the support. That's going to end Bobby's Backyard today.